Students, let's continue with the same chapter, chapter 19, Noah Ark. Children, I have taught you in previous part of video that many years ago God's world was thriving with abundance and yet things were getting worse. People were hurting each other, so God decided to send a great flood and make a fresh start. God told the only good man Noah to build a boat big enough to carry his family and two of every kind of animal and bird on the earth. Noah, his wife, and his three sons, Ham, Sam, and Japheth, together built a great ark. Everyone thought Noah to be mad. Several days passed by without any rain. Then, on the seventh day, it began to rain and continued for 40 days and 40 nights. So, children, God was angry with human because people were hurting to each other. So, God sent a great flood for new start. Children, now I am moving forward to story. Listen carefully. Noah's family and the animals were safe. They were happy that the rain had stopped because the ark was damp and cold. But they could not leave the ark because there was nowhere to go. Because they can't leave the ark because there were no place and they can't go out from the ark. One morning, Noah looked out of his window on the ark and he was pleased to see the top of a mountain. Here, Noah was happy to see the top of mountain for rest, and here meaning of pleased is happy. The ark came to rest on the side of a mountain called Mount Ararat. Here meaning of Mount Ararat is the mountain like volcano. But is it safe to leave the ark? Asked Noah's wife. So Noah's wife asked question, is it safe? We shall send a bird out to have look, replied Noah. Noah told his wife, first we send a bird. No, let a raven fly out to the window. The raven flew around and then returned to the ark. It could not find a place to rest or make a nest. First they sent a raven fly and it returned back. There is no place for rest or make a nest. After a week, the water went down even more. There were plenty of rivers, lakes around, but land could also be seen. So, after 1 week, Noah sent a dove. What is dove? Dove is a kind of bird. Noah sent the dove out. This time the dove flew off and returned with an olive branch. Now Noah was sure that the waters had gone down and plants were beginning to grow. Noah let the dove go out again a week later. This time the dove did not return. Noah took the top of the ark and looked out at the dry land. Noah's family and the animals left the ark. How happy they were. After sending the dove and after 2 weeks later, the dove not return back. After that, no sure that water gone down and we can live on land. The first thing Noah did was to build a altar. The meaning of altar is a table for worship where we are doing prayer, that table. He thanked God for keeping him and his family safe. As he prayed, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Then Noah heard the voice of God. God told Noah the rainbow was a promise that the earth would never again be destroyed by a flood. So, who promised to Noah? God promised to Noah that never we will again destroy the earth. So, children, I hope you can understand this story. Now, homework for you, you will write 20 to 30 words from this chapter in your English Reader Notebook. Thank you.